Zimbabwe, my beloved country. Unfortunately, it's in the clutches of the dictatorship who cannot let go, and there are sharks surrounding him that are looting left, right, and center, while the majority of the population is living in poverty and squalor. We have tried all means to dislodge the dictatorship. He will not go. He has bled the economy and destroyed the infrastructure, has implemented one bad policy after another. Recently, he has introduced again the failed Zimbabwean dollar by way of bringing bond notes in order to disenfranchise the majority of the population, taking away the wealth. He has blamed Western countries while allowing the Chinese to have free reign. Where is it that he takes a lot of money to China and Singapore, where he has got business concerns, and he stashes money there, assisted by his greedy wife, while everyone else is condemned to suffering, eternal suffering that seems to have no end. We have got people who are highly educated, who have been turned into vendors, who survive by selling vegetable and fruit, people who should be productive, who should be working and uplifting the economy and the quality of life for the general public in Zimbabwe. The result is that people have, those who have managed, gone abroad, scattered around the world, and they are helping to prop up economies of different countries, sharing their skills, giving their skills to foreign lands, while our own country languishes in the hands of the dictatorship who will not go. The country is on its knees, the economy is not performing. Education, health sector, all the sectors, the agrarian sector, nothing is productive. The industries that were booming before are a pale shadow of what Zimbabwe used to be. At independence 36 years ago, Zimbabwe was a jewel. The Zimbabwean dollar was second only to the British pound, stronger than all the other world currencies. Yet Ian Smith was under United Nations sanctions, and he still managed to maintain the quality of life of the people intact. Yes, we were under colonialism. Those of us who lived at that time know very well that that time, even though we did not have the basic freedoms, it was a much better time than what we are experiencing now. Being subjugated by one of our own, being enslaved by our erstwhile liberators, it is a very, very painful eventuation. We did not expect this to happen, but it's happening. At first I thought maybe it was a dream, but the dream has been too long. The nightmare has been prolonged. One day this should come to an end. Someone who is 92 and is still presiding over matters of state, it is an abomination, a disgrace. It's time to let go. Time to let go and allow people to work to restore our old dignity, to restore the economy, to restore the country to its glorious self. Zimbabwe was the breadbasket of Africa. Now it has become a basket case of Africa, taking the begging bowl all over the world, while at the same time blaming people, yes, who used to be, but are no longer in control. Blaming and blaming without pointing a finger at ourselves. Zimbabweans, we have been subjected to suffering for a long time. People have disappeared for daring to raise their voices. This dictatorship is a double-headed snake with a forked tongue that will devour its own children. It won't hesitate, but it's time to go, time to let go. Cry, my beloved country. Utongi chigaro unosira vamwe, ushe madzoro unosira vamwe. Utongi chigaro unosira vamwe, ushe madzoro unosiranwa. Koiwe ndiwe unei warambirapo iwe. Ndiwe unei warambirapo Mugabe oye. Naiwe Mugabe oye. Iwe Mugabe oye. Naiwe Mugabe oye. Samora wakatonganyika ndokusira vamwe. Chisano wakatonganyika akasira vamwe. Gebuza ndokutonganyika ndokusira vamwe. Mandela wakatonganyika akasira vamwe. Nambeki wakatonganyika ndokusira vamwe. Seretse akatonganyika akasira vamwe. Masire ndokutonganyika ndokusira vamwe. Mukaye wakatonganyika ndokusira vamwe. Nuyoma wakatonganyika ndokusira vamwe. Mugabe oye. Naiwe Mugabe oye. Iwe Mugabe oye. Naiwe Mugabe oye. Iwe ndiwe unei warambirapo iwe. Ndiwe unei warambirapo Mugabe oye. Naiwe Mugabe oye. Kamuzu wakatonganyika ndokusira vamwe. Muluzi ndokutonganyika akasira vamwe. Wamutarika ndokutonganyika ndokusira vamwe. Nabanda wakatonganyika ndokusira vamwe. Kaunda wakatonganyika akasira vamwe. Chiluva ndokutonganyika ndokusira vamwe. Mwana wasa wakatonganyika akasira vamwe. Nabanda wakatonganyika ndokusira vamwe. Mugabe oye. Naiwe Mugabe oye. Iwe Mugabe oye. Naiwe Mugabe oye. Iwe ndiwe unei warambirapo iwe. Ndiwe unei warambirapo iwe. Chirega kugarira nzeve vanhu vaneta iwe. Rega kugarira nzeve vanhu vaneta. Rega kugarira nzeve vanhu vaneta. Mugabe oye. Naiwe Mugabe oye. Iwe Mugabe oye. Iwe Mugabe oye. Naiwe Mugabe oye. Iwe Mugabe oye. Hold everyone at ransom, holding the whole country at ransom. Ownership of a country as if it's your mobile phone. Destroying livelihoods, condemning everyone to poverty and squalor. What a selfish person. Is that what those who died during the liberation struggle died for? Is that what all the masses of Zimbabwe sacrificed their lives and livelihoods for? To fatten your pockets and those of your cronies? History will judge you harshly. It's time to let go. Let go. Maybe people will forgive you and your kith and kin. How can you feast on your own people? Enslaving everyone. What a heartless brute. You were once hailed as an international statesman. It has not taken long to destroy that legacy. What will you be remembered for? For destroying a country? For condemning everyone to suffering? It's time to let go. Let go. Zvakwana. Chirega chisiyira vamwe.